Welcome back to Tremis Studios. In the studios, we have the country representative of an organization which I'm sure, just like me, most of you are unaware of or have not heard of. So in conversation with me today will be Miss Anupama Rao. Welcome, Anu, to Tremis Studios.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm glad to be here.
What I understood was that it's all about cultural inclusion and the kind of courses that you curate for refugees and international students. You can tell us more about your organization and what you do there.
So Project Destination, it's primarily about a community for inclusion, for cultural immersion, especially for international students and refugees. We have courses. It gives a complete overview of the country, including important details you need to know of a particular city, or in case you get into trouble in India or anywhere abroad, you know who to reach out to.
So, for our audience, Anupama works for an organization called Project Destination. It's not destination, it's destination. And this organization is aimed at cultural immersion and inclusion of refugees and international students. So Anu, you actually work as a course developer, and you mentioned there are a few courses that you curate.
Sure.
So this is actually for the refugees who come from other countries to India and anywhere around the world, and you help them out to understand the culture and heritage of our nation or any nation, right? So the Indian chapter of this Project Destination, is it underway or is it already established well?
It's almost done. We are in the final edit of the course and it will be up and running in a short while.
I actually read your mission statement, but I would love to hear you saying that for our clinicians and audience. What exactly is the mission statement?
Our mission statement is that no matter where you're from, no matter where you're going, you matter at Project Destination.
So now I would like to ask you, what exactly motivated you to, get into a very noble cause, or you would say this initiative at Project Destination?
We have, as Indians, we have such a vibrant culture. We should portray it to the best of its ability, and I just don't feel like anyone should let it go.
Beautiful.
And culture is one of the key components of your identity.
Yeah, absolutely. And for an 18-year-old to say something like that about your Indian culture and going back to your roots and stuff, it's amazing. And I'm really happy hearing such a thing from you, and the kind of initiative that you've taken to understand your culture better and also portraying it to a larger audience using this platform, Project Destination. It's commendable. So I should understand that this entire project is teenage based,
It's youth.
right? It's youth oriented. So everything is managed and executed by youth like you. Okay, so if anybody wants to know more about Project Destination, you just have to get on Instagram. There is Discord server, which is the main communication spot for Project Destination, and also the Instagram page for Project Destination. Anybody willing to have a look at what it is, please feel free to go and visit the Instagram page or the Discord server, and you will get ample information. Lovely to have you here at Tremis Studio, Anu. It was great talking to you. I absolutely loved the way you conversed with me today, and I'm sure the audience also enjoyed it. It was lovely having you here at Tremis Studios, Anu. Wishing you all the very best that life has to offer. Yeah. Until we meet next time, this is Tisu signing off. We'll meet next time with something entirely new. Bye bye.